have here model kit from Kotobukiya, which came from the anime series Knights of Sidonia. So this Knights of Sidonia was premiered in Japan last April 11, 2014. So unfortunately, I haven't watched any single episode of this Knights of Sidonia, but I watched some clippings from the YouTube, and I find this anime interesting, and the mecha designs are very unique looking mecha suits. Anyway, I already built one of Knights of Sidonia kit, which is the Tsugumori, and now we will build another one from that anime series, which is the Yukimori. So this is the Yukimori model kit, which was piloted by Nagate Takinaze, I think. Tanikaze, something like that. Nagate Tanikaze, yes, that's the main protagonist of that series, and he pilots this as an upgrade for the Tsugumori Kai Ni. So this is Tsugumori Type 2 upgrade. So this is the Yukimori. So let's check this kit out. So the box of this kit is very simple and straightforward. We can see the Yukimori here flying in the space alongside with the Tsugumori Kaini, or the Tsugumori Type 2. So this is being piloted by Tanikaze, Nagate Tanikaze. So this a simple kit actually, and it looks bland, and there's nothing interesting about this kit as I see the finished model of this. Anyway, it's all white, and the color is boring, to be honest, because there's no other color for this kit aside from white. So you can see here the front view and rear view of the kit. So it's bizarre looking model kit, and it can wield 3 types of weapon, which is one of this is the spear. I don't know what kind of spear is this, but according to the anime, it's like a magical spear or powerful spear. Correct me if I'm wrong. And there's this cannon here. So there's the cannon, spear, and the katana. So there's this white katana here. And the other side of the box, we can see the front view of the kit. So it says here multicolor kit, but it's all shades of white, to be honest. Anyway, let's open the kit, the box, and we can see instruction manual. So the instruction manual is having the same design in the box art. So we can see here the main pilot, Tanikaze Nagate, and he looks like Uchiha Sasuke, to be honest. And he looks like Sasuke. And there it is. We can see the parts list here, and it's not that much. The parts are not many, and we can see some gray shades here, meaning these are not included, or this is a part for Tsugumori, so it's not included for Yukimori, and so it's not that complicated build as I scanned before, and this is really a straightforward build. It's an easy build, to be honest, and I think I can finish this within 1 hour or 2 hours, depending on my mood. And there's nothing interesting with this manual. Even the kit and the parts of this kit, it's all white, plain, all white. So this is for the, I think this is for the wings, for the backpack of the kit. This is for the hands, and most of these pieces here are not included for the Yukimori, since I already saw these parts here for the Tsugumori, so it's not included for Yukimori. Maybe I'll keep this for a spare part in case my Yukimori or my Tsugumori got broken. So we have here spare parts. So we have here white parts again for the cannon pieces. So the cannon here is very long. We can see this long rail gun type of thing here. And you can see white parts here for, I think this is for the forearm guns. We have light gray parts here. So this is what Kotobukiya says, that this is a multicolor. Because of this light gray included. So we have here white parts again. So it's all white, nothing interesting with the color. We have here light gray again, small parts. And finally we have here another light gray parts for the joint pieces, I think. And let's check the runners before we build it. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we have here all white as usual. We have G runner here for the wing parts, and we have here runner H for some armor pieces with the katana included. So even the katana is white, boring. And we have here runner C for the hands and forearm weapons, but unfortunately most of the parts here is not included for the Yukimori. We have here runner M for the rail cannon. We have a small runner, white runner here for runner I, and we have 2 sets of runner J for the flaps here. So we go to the light gray parts. We have runner E, we have runner A, and we have 2 sets of runner B. So most plastic of this kit is made out of ABS plastic, and it's hard. It's a hard type of plastic. So we have here runner F, small parts here, so made up of ABS as well. And we have here runner N and runner D for the visor. So this is the only different color here, which is the clear blue piece for the visor. There are no stickers included for this kit, as well as decals. So this is really a boring kit. So if you want to paint it by yourself, you can do so if you like a variation, color variation for this Yukimori model. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and let's finish this kit and see you next time. Goodbye, God bless, and take care.